Hey, what's going on, guys? Cole here with Actionable Insights, and today we have another Cole's Common Questions. Today's question comes from a subscriber of ours who had the actionable profile disappear. That's right. Occasionally, sometimes profiles in Xactimate, they can disappear for odd reasons, but we're going to show you how to get it back very easily. Number one, the easiest way to get back your profile in most cases is going to be updating Xactimate right here. This green spinny icon, if you click that and wait a few seconds, there may be an update available for you in Xactimate 1. This is a fantastic way to quickly alleviate the issue and get your profile back up and running. Option number 2 for you is going to be logging out of Xactimate and logging back in. Oftentimes, not only will this potentially prompt the update, but it also resets some of the back-end components of your Xactimate, occasionally giving you access to the actionable profile again. Option 3 for you is going to be clicking this button right here in the top right of your screen. This is going to provide some account information. What I need you to do is screenshot that and send it on over to support@getinsights.org. This is where our support department can help you out and make sure that you regain access to the actionable profile. Primarily what we're going to do is reset your access and refresh it so that it's just like the first time you gained access to the actionable profile, and everything should be right back up and running for you. Option 4, if all else fails, we're going to need you to reach out to the support department at Verisk. They have access to a lot of the back-end tools and resources that our support team doesn't. Stuff like access to your instance, access to your licensing information, and potentially updating your billing information as well. So those are the 4 steps to get your actionable profile back up and running. If you need anything else, you can always find it at getinsights.org. And remember, the support team at Actionable Insights is your friend, and you can always reach them at support@getinsights.org. Thank you guys so much. I'll catch you later.